Okay, welcome to this video where I'm gonna be showing you how to set up your profile on Jem Social. My name is Alexei De la Cuesta. I run a six-figure video agency. I'm also a content creator with over 80,000 followers. One of the biggest mistakes I see with creators or people who are just starting out in the creative industry is that they don't have a portfolio or a optimized profile, and that could really hurt them when it comes to applying for gigs outside of Jem. But here at Jem, we make it super easy for you to set it up. Now, I promise you, if you properly set up your portfolio or your profile, it will not only make it easier for businesses to say yes to your proposal, but the chances of a business finding you and saying yes increases by a lot. So if you don't have a portfolio yet, or you don't have any work to put into your portfolio, don't worry. There are many ways that you can build out your portfolio without having to work with any clients. And one of those ways is to actually do some spec work. And what I mean by that is that, for example, if you're a videographer who's looking to try and get more gigs filming product videos, literally buy a product that you like and create a video around it. Or if you're a musician, just film yourself, whether it be in front of your family or by yourself. This will allow businesses to see that you're serious and you're passionate in your craft. And of course, see how good you are. So without further ado, let's get started into building out your profile and your portfolio. So right now I'm on Jem on the gig board. And if you look at the left side right here, you'll be able to see gig board, submit a gig, view applications, profile, search messages, my order settings, and log out. The one you want to click on is profile. Now, I haven't made my profile yet, so I'm gonna go and create that with you guys. So fill in all the important information right here. I'll name myself. This will be, my username will just be my full name. This will be my username, my pronouns. What is your date of birth? For location-wise, it's Miami. Now put in all the brands that you work for. And again, if you haven't worked with brands, no need to worry, you don't have to fill that in. In terms of niche, I am in the marketing/advertising niche. Next step. Okay, so now you're at the next step. Now we're gonna be adding our bio and some categories and our hourly rate. Now, when it comes to bio, I have a structure I like to follow, but what you can do is just go on ChatGPT and to help you out with creating a bio. So let's get right into it. Write me a bio for my profile to help me attract businesses who want to work with me. For context, here are a list of things I do and a little bit about me. Born and raised in Canada, videographer / content creator, over 80,000 followers on IG and 40K plus on TikTok, generated close to 1 billion views for clients helping entrepreneurs build their personal brand through viral videos. So I'll throw that into ChatGPT, see what it spits out. And this seems pretty good. Canada, videographer, content creator with over 80,000 followers on IG and 40K on TikTok. I've helped entrepreneurs and brands generate nearly 1 billion views through viral, high converting content. I specialize in personal brand storytelling, creating engaging videos that don't just attract views, but build authority, yada, yada, yada. So I actually like the sound of this. Let's add that into our bio here. And you'll notice the formatting, it might be kind of weird if you copy and paste. So I'm just gonna tweak this a bit. Again, you can tweak it however you want. You don't have to follow the exact same structure as me. A way I like to structure it is I make sure I hit the credibility aspect, what I do, and what kind of creative I am. Okay, so in terms of category, I am a videographer. Subcategory, let's see, social media content creator. Now my hourly rate, now for this, pretty self-explanatory. charge what you believe in you are worth. In this case, I'm gonna charge a basic 150 USD an hour. Go to next step. Instagram, I'm gonna link my Instagram right here. Don't have a Twitter, TikTok, Alexei DC. Okay, my YouTube, and that's all I have. We'll continue on to next step. Okay, service 1, videographer, filmmaking. So in step 4, you'll actually see that you have to create your own service if you want to. So in this case, I did videographer, viral videos, deliverables. I'll script 10 to 20, film and edit all 10 to 20 videos, and I priced it around $5,000. Obviously, you can do whatever you want right here. You can even add more if you offer any other services. But for now, I'll keep it simple and I'll click on next. So in this step, this is where you're gonna be uploading your headshot or your profile photo. So go ahead and upload that and then continue on to the next step. All right, so for the final step, this is where you're gonna be uploading a lot of your stuff for your portfolio. Upload, up to 7 photos or videos that you're most proud of. Again, if you don't have any material to upload, go ahead and just make some spec work. Again, if you're a videographer, film a commercial of one of your favorite products. If you're a musician, film yourself performing in front of either your family or just by yourself. Anything really to showcase to businesses on why they should hire you. So once that's done, just click on complete setup, and it's setting up my data here. Okay, so once you've completed setting up your profile, this is what you'll be able to see on your profile on Jem Social. So you see here, I have a couple of videos of some of my exampled work. Now I'm probably gonna optimize or redesign some of these so that it looks better on this horizontal format. Also your services, right now I only have one, and also my About Me page, my niche, and my past clients I've worked with. And you can also find some reviews, so whenever you worked with someone or you work with someone on Jem Social, you can ask them for a review, and once they review, it will show up here. That's how you set up your profile. We'll be making a video later on the importance of your portfolio and how to optimize your portfolio and redesign all that good stuff so that your page looks professional and good. So until then, I'll see you later.